Welcome after single value select. Now let's look at multi-select. So the only difference here is at the higher level you cannot in single value select you can only select one option at a time. With multi-select you can select more than one option at a time. So like single select, we need to let user know what the widgets expect out of them. So let's basically say in this example, which of these two are birds. So, or we can ask them to select 3 birds, select 2 birds. So that enables them to select. We'll look at a demo for this. And like single select and similarly the select to select numerical values. So in the previous example here in single select, we actually just had a drop down to select 1 or 2 values. Here we can select a range of values and we can list the maximum value a user can enter and a minimum value that's accepted here. And the inputs can be either an integer or a float, and that's basically what would be accepted by it. The widget by default allows us to define a default value when our application runs if user does not select anything. So you can set a default value if user does not select anything. So that's basically what this is about. Let's go take a demo at this before moving on to the next one, where we will be looking at single and multi-line text in the next example. So in this example, we can now select 1 or 2 birds, or you can select more. That's the advantage of this. Similarly, you can select a range of values here, and you can select a floating point value, any value in this. So this one will be very useful. We will do this so when we convert our Scikit Jupyter notebooks or any machine learning model into a streamlit front end, you will see the interactivity of it if you have previously worked across teams. So this would be a great way to actually decentralize your applications and reducing the workload on people actually building applications. So, and the ease of use is what makes this super powerful. And let's move on to the next one. And thank you for joining.